Oh, g'day. I was just admiring the beautiful, wonderful cyclonic winds here. And then I just noticed here that these birds are going to be so perfectly balanced. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds sitting up there. I'm not going to mess around with the camera too much to find them, but there's 8 birds. There's he got like a 1, 2, I'm not going to stick my finger, get a finger out of the camera, get a finger out of the camera. The beautiful cyclonic winds, there's 8 birds that I can count up there. You see them just balancing. See, so we take a great knowledge and wisdom, take a feather out of the book of the bird, how to balance in the winds of cyclone. Particularly interesting how cold this cyclone is. This one over here, very light, very balanced. I've been out in the cyclone, so I've got a bit of water in the lens of my camera here, but that's the wisdom and the grace of animal medicine, the wisdom of the birds, how to be able to stay stable like that in the winds of a cyclone. Makes me almost want to break into song, because I'm full of hot air, and that's cold air. That's cyclonic, 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 it's cyclonic, 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 it's cyclonic, oh yeah. Cyclonic, 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 it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, oh yeah. Cyclonic, 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 cyclonic. Cyclonic, it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, oh yeah. Cyclonic, 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 it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, it's cyclonic, oh yeah. Cyclonic. There we go. Wisdom of the bird, wisdom of the cyclone. What beautiful wonder. What a beautiful wonder. Beauty of nature. Have that one for free. Stay safe. Cheerio.